In this video, we will go over how to register for classes and view your schedule in BannerWeb. We assume that you already know how to log into BannerWeb. If you do not, please go back and watch that video. At Alfred State, we create blocks of time for students to register for courses in BannerWeb. These time blocks are called time tickets, and when it is time to register for an upcoming semester, your faculty advisor will work with you on completing your course selection form. What you see on the screen right now is a course selection form from spring 2014. It lists the time, start time, and end time of when our student was allowed to register for the semester. It lists the student name, and it also lists the student's alternate PIN. You will need that when it comes time to register. Your faculty advisor will help you complete your course selection form. Once you agree upon all the courses you should take for an upcoming semester, your faculty advisor will release your alternate PIN to you. For this demonstration, on this text file, I typed in 3 courses I want to register for. I want to register for Comp 5703, CISY 1123, and PSYC 1023. And these are the course titles. So Comp 5703 is Technical Writing 2. I'm going to start by being in the BannerWeb main menu. I will click Student Services and Financial Aid, and then click Registration and click Add Drop Classes. I will select a term I want to register for. We will register for Fall 2014 and click Submit. I have to acknowledge the charges that I will incur when I register for courses, so I will agree to that. And now I need to enter the alternate PIN that was provided to me by my faculty advisor and click Submit. Now I'm at the main screen of the Add Drop system. If I know the course reference numbers or the course registration numbers, CRNs, I can just type them in. But we're going to go through the class search process to look up classes. Now the first class we're going to look up is Comp 5703. So in the subject, I go to Comp, and in the course number, 5703. And if I scroll to the bottom, I can click Class Search, and this comes back with all the courses and times available for Comp 5703. So I can pick any course I want to out of this list. So I'm just going to pick the first one that's listed, 890. It meets Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10 to 10:50. And I will click Register. When I come back to the page, it shows me the current schedule and it shows my status of web registered. Once I web register, I am in the course. Let's look up the next class, which is CISY 1123. I'll click Class Search. I will go to CISY and type in 1123. And I'm just going to hit Enter to perform the search. Now, in this course, it has a lecture and a lab. That's what this link column is for. If I register for A1, I must also register for A2. If I do B1, I must register for B2. So keep your A's and B's separate. So I will select my A1 and my A2 and click Register. Now I scroll down to the page and it shows me that I'm web registered for those 2 courses. The last course I wanted to register for is PSYC 1023. So I will go to Class Search, PSYC 1023, and I will execute that search. I have 2 courses to choose from. I will select the first one, which meets Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 to 10:50, and I will register. Now in this case, it does not show up in Web Register. It shows as an error. So it shows that I have a time conflict with CRN 2343. So I cannot register for that course because I've already registered for a course at that same time. So I'm going to go back to Class Search again, and I will look at PSYC 1023. The second course meets Tuesday, Thursday. T is Tuesday, R is Thursday, from 2 to 3:15 p.m. So I will try to register for that one. And now it shows as web registered. If I want to drop a course and add a different course, I do so on the action button. I select drop and then click submit. That will drop my course, and now it is gone from my schedule. If I want to view my schedule, there is a link at the bottom, Student Schedule by Day and Time. If I click that, it brings up my schedule. Notice that this brings up the current week's schedule. Today falls between the week of February 24th. So this is showing what my current schedule is for the spring semester. I want to view the one that I just created. So I'm going to go ahead and look at maybe a week in September. So if I say 09/01/2014 and click submit, this shows me what courses I've registered for the upcoming fall semester.